Today I'll be teaching you how you guys can play career mode in eFootball. So if you want to play the career mode and you are in mobile, then unfortunately you cannot, because Konami, which is the main game creator of eFootball, has told us that you cannot play career mode on mobile. If you want to play career mode, you need to have eFootball on your PC or your console like Xbox and PlayStation. Remember, eFootball is only free for mobile. If you want to play on PC or console like Xbox, PlayStation, you need to pay for it. If you're playing on mobile, you cannot play like the career mode like La Liga, Premier League and all the stuff, because in mobile you only have limited version of eFootball. To play the full version of eFootball, you need to pay for it, and by paying for it, I mean you need to play it on a console or a PC. So unfortunately for us mobile user, we cannot play career mode in eFootball. So I hope you understand what I was trying to say with this video. You need to buy the full version of eFootball on your PC or your console. So hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos related with eFootball just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.